This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a base LLM that fits your license and latency needs. This defines cost and fine-tuning options. Once chosen, prepare your data. Clean formats, consistent labels, and a 70/30 train/validate split so you can measure progress. Then set up the environment, Python, a virtualenv, and CUDA drivers if you have a GPU. Make sure to install core libraries and test a simple inference to confirm the model and drivers are working before continuing. Now you build the agent's core. Define roles such as retriever, planner, and executor so responsibilities are clear. Once done, implement prompt templates and a retrieval grounding chain to keep outputs factual. This prevents hallucinations. Connect state and memory layers so the agent maintains context across turns, and add action handlers for synchronous or asynchronous tasks. Make sure to test each component independently. Then run an orchestrated flow to observe timing and token usage under realistic prompts. Finish by optimizing for latency and cost. Apply batching, quantization, and cache common retrievals to reduce calls. Deploy the agent in a container with CI, monitoring, and auto-scaling rules so it handles real load. Once live, validate end-to-end flows and user prompts. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue locally, inspect logs, and check model/version differences. If needed, roll back to a known good model. Make sure to iterate on prompts and retrievers until responses are reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.